Hey there you guys, today's wig is brought to you by RPGhair.com. I'll be sure to leave the link below to this wig and also their direct store. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It comes with lace all around, so it's a 360 wig. In the middle of the wig it comes with tracks. You get 2 combs in the front and also another comb in the back with adjustable straps. What makes this wig also really great is the hairline comes pre-plucked. That is great for you beginners out there, or just lazy people, or just anybody that do not want to pluck a hairline. I was super happy because sometimes I'm tired of plucking a hairline, you know. But also the knots come lightly bleached, but I went in later on and bleached it some more. There I go. So today I'm going to do the ball cap method. I love these wig caps. This is the wig cap I always use for my wig reviews. So to wipe my hairline, I'm going to use 70% rubbing alcohol. I'm going to bring it down and I'm just going to go in and try this ball cap method. I did try it before and I took a picture on Instagram. You guys went crazy. Like, what wig is it? What was it? Oh my god. Please let me know. So here it is. So on top, to blend my cap in some more with my skin, I'm going to go in with my foundation. The foundation I'm using is Lancome, and I just prefer the foundation more than the powder for this because, you know, it goes with my skin tone, and the powder will like brush off over time. The foundation will stay longer and it's going to be glued on, so I don't need the powder disappearing anywhere, honestly. If you would like a more detailed video on how to do a ball cap method, I'll be sure to leave a link below to another person's channel. I was inspired by the ball cap method by Ivy. So if, like I said, if you like a more detailed tutorial, the link will be below. So now I'm just gonna go in with my bold hold glue, and I'm gonna go in with 2 coats. So first I'm going to let the first layer dry, then I'm gonna go in with a second layer. I'm going to speed through the gluing process because I have other videos on how I install my wig with the bold hold glue over and over, so I'll be sure to leave the link below. It's really nothing different. It's basically still the same. The only thing I did differently this time was add a wig cap and did the ball cap method. So definitely keep your scarf on longer than 15 minutes. The only reason why I took it off 15 minutes later is because I have to go somewhere. So I have to go speed through this review. I'm sorry. But I usually keep it on for like about an hour or I do it the day before and the next day I like take it off and style it. That's when you get your best results. Well, for me, that's my best results. I can't say for like everybody else, but I'm just gonna continue styling this wig. Stay tuned, I'm almost done. So you guys, this is pretty much my end result, and I must say I love this wig so much. So far, I've only been wearing it for about a week and a half. I just love it. Like, I really love it. There is some cons, but I still love this wig. I get a lot of compliments. Sometimes some girls are scared to come up to me and ask me, like, I'm not sure if that's a wig or if it's a real hair. Is it a wig? Oh my god, can I get the link? I gave out this wig link so much, like, over the past week and a half. Like, wow, I love it. Like, anyway, I'm gonna tell you about the wig. So the texture is a Yaki texture. It really looks like African American permed hair, in my opinion. Well, this is how my hair would look if I got it perm and straightened. It looks just like this and feels just like this. The color is a natural color. I love the color. As for the hairline comes pre-plucked. As you guys saw, I didn't have to pluck anything at all. The most I did do was go in and bleach the knots a little bit more because I just wanted it bleached more. The knots do come lightly pre-bleached, but I just wanted it bleached more. You don't have to go in and bleach the knots. Tangling is super minimum, except for, I noticed just like in the nape area, it gets a little tangled, but nothing too hectic. Like, all I gotta do is use my wide tooth comb and it gets it right out. The tangling in the nape area started like about 3 days later after I started wearing the wig. But with this wig, I've been wearing my hoodies and all that, so I understand if like my hoodies is like making a nape area, you know, a little tangly, but hey, it's nothing too bad. As for shedding, there is shedding. The shedding is minimum, but it sheds. Nothing too crazy. I feel like it sheds just like the same amount my real hair sheds, so I feel like that's why I'm fine with that. If it was shedding super bad, then I will let you guys know, like, this wig is shedding like crazy. But it's not. Even after I bleached the knots, I thought it was gonna like shed like crazy even more, but it's just normal, a normal shedding wig. As for maintenance is really low. After I glue this wig on, I'm gonna keep it on for about probably like 5 days, and after that I just take it back off. That's what I did before with the wig glued on, so I basically got to sleep with the wig on and stuff, and it holds up very great in the morning time because I wear a scarf on. The most I do is just get my flat iron, run through the front a little bit. That's it, like I just did on camera. I really don't have to go in and straighten if I want in the morning. I just get up and go. And the bonnet that I use is silk, so it doesn't like leave that line of demarcation. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys in the next video.